Hi, what's up, class? I'm your new substitute teacher, Sir Grouselot. Take two. Hello, I am your new substitute teacher, Sir Grouselot. So today, we will be designing a foot orthosis. A foot orthosis attaches to the ankle and lower leg and supports up the foot. And the requirement, it must not make the foot go down like this! Whoa! Yeah, you like it? I just went through the ceiling. Yeah, that was nice. That was very nice. Yeah, of course it was. Now, we need to have an important announcement before we go. So, apparently, there is something bad going on right here. What's that noise? We're not going to talk about that now. Let's just go on with our lesson today. Ah! 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 Look at that! What's that? What's that? What's that? Nothing. It's nothing. There was nothing. Huh? Ah! Go! Get out! Get out of the class! Beep! 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 Exit out through the back door! Come on! Come on! Come on! Beep! 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 Oh, boy! Beep! Beep! Hello, school! You shall be destroyed! Alright, everyone's okay. Alright, class. Let's let our class resume like normal. Now we're inside of one of the greatest security measures in the entire world. We better be prepared for what could be. Get to the other side of the wall. Get back. Alright. Everyone is okay, right? Yes! Everyone's okay! Good, good. Alright, so we have an urgent problem. There is apparently a bad person out on the loose. Look out! That didn't hit me. I'm fine. Alright, we have to say as quiet as possible. May I protect? Get all the adults! Get all the adults! Quickly! All the other kids! Oh, hey, girl. What's up? Get all the other kids from the school! Hurry! Ah! Get all the other kids! Get back in! Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Are you?
Okay, I need my children to clean your bedrooms, clean the office, clean the room.
Alright, I got a temperature, got thermometer, but Got a thermometer. Got a thermometer. What are you doing? Another, we got a thermometer here. Alright guys. Accurately predicts. Alright, so according to the thermometer, guys, we can't hear you. We can't hear you. I can't hear you. Oh, 76 degrees. All right, good. Now come on in. That bear, you know what that bear does? Ah, nah, we're fine. Everything's gonna be okay. I think I just felt like a cold wind. All right, anyone need? All right, everyone, okay. I'm looking at the thermometer closely, man. It's not changed. Hey, sir. Background. Hey, sir, what, yeah, you'll be fine. Will the squishmallow kill all of us? No. It's not even a squishmallow. It's much weaker. However, there is one strength. It can lower temperatures. If that temperature goes down to 30, say we're in for a surprise. Oh, yeah, it did. Oh, shh. You just said a bad word. Oh. No, wait. Oh, wait, up. Where's the grandpa? Is everything gonna be okay? Ninja Where's the girls? Ninja! Wake up, Ninja! Wake up, Ninja! Wake up! No! Nobody hurt me! No, help me! Oh, you wanna die like your daughter? Ninja Roo? How are you still alive? Anyone that's still alive, come on! I'm injured. Anyone who's not injured, come along. I'm okay. I'm not injured. Everyone back to the classroom. Are you sure it's safe in here, Ben? Yeah, of course it is. Oh no! Classroom. Classroom's gone. Yeah, it is. Well, we're gonna have to have a new graveyard for all of our students. We're the only couple that have survived. The only couple that have survived. Only the couple other ones have died. Sir, what will happen to all the other ones? Oh, they're gonna get buried. Ah! One of those was my friend. Well, sorry about that. Next time I go back there, there's gonna be graveyard. And we're gonna use some parts of our classroom. Wait, do we still have to do that project? No, not anymore. Hooray! But you will be assigned a graveyard project soon. Aww. Yeah. Alright, help clean up the room. Okay. Ooh, you guys are faster cleaners than me. You guys are faster cleaners than me. I haven't realized it. Alright, so, all of you students, alright, well, I guess we could still have a normal school day, but let's just party, I guess. Well, our friends are up there in heaven. It's such a nice day in heaven. Of course, I want to go back down to Earth. Wait! You're committing suicide. Perfect. What? Come on, you try it. Well, that's not good. That was fake blood. Oh, hooray! What about all those other kids? Yeah, we're fine. Let's just have a party all night long. Let's just have a party all night long. We're gonna have a party all night long. We're gonna be partying. All right, you go home. Nice day. That was a wonderful day. Whee! That was a wonderful day. Bye. Bye. Well, if that was school, how are we gonna learn?